Imagine this. You're a freelancer, maybe a web developer, a graphic designer, a video editor, and you're tired of competing in a noisy, crowded marketplace. You know, your work is exceptional, but clients aren't seeing it. They're not feeling the hours you've poured into perfecting your craft. That ends today. Introducing the all-in-one portfolio website, a meticulously crafted platform designed to transform how clients perceive you. This isn't just a digital resume. It's your spotlight, your credibility engine, your silent salesperson working round the clock. Let's break it down. First impressions matter. With a sleek, responsive design that adapts seamlessly to every screen, phones, tablets, desktops, your portfolio will look flawless. Whether a client is browsing from a coffee shop in Berlin or a boardroom in Dubai, no more distorted layouts or tiny text, just pixel-perfect galleries that let your projects shine. But here's what truly sets this apart. Social proof that closes deals. Clients don't just want to see your work, they want to trust you. That's why we've built dedicated sections for client testimonials, verified reviews, and even a wall of fame showcasing the brands you've partnered with. Picture a potential client scrolling through your page. They'll watch your demo reel, read glowing feedback from past collaborators, and see logos of respected companies you've helped grow, all before they even reach your contact button. That's the power of instant credibility. Now, let's talk results. This website isn't just pretty, it's strategic. Want to highlight your 5-star ratings? There's a dynamic widget for that. Need to organize projects by industry or skill? Drag and drop categories make it effortless. And for those big moments like landing a Fortune 500 client or winning an award, you'll have spotlight sections to turn achievements into marketing gold. But here's the real secret. This platform turns visitors into believers. When clients see a polished, professional hub packed with proof of your wins, they're not just hiring a freelancer, they're investing in a proven partner. No more haggling over rates or justifying your value. Your portfolio does the talking. Still using generic templates that blend into the background? Those days are over. This website is fully customizable colors, fonts, layouts, so your personality and professionalism leap off the screen. And because time is money, we've included SEO-friendly features to ensure clients find you first. But the clock's ticking. Every day without this tool is a day your competition is one step ahead. This is your chance to own a portfolio that doesn't just display your work, it elevates it. Ready to stop chasing clients and start attracting them? The future of your freelance career starts now. Click, create, conquer. Think about it. Right now, someone out there needs exactly what you offer. But if they can't find you, find a portfolio that doesn't do you justice, they'll move on. It's your ticket to premium clients, higher rates, and a reputation that opens doors. Don't let hesitation cost you another dollar. Click the link, secure your portfolio, powerhouse, and start 2025 as the freelancer everyone wants to hire. The only question left is, are you ready to own it?